These guys right here, they're amazing. These appetizers are called cucumber sandwiches, and we've been making these for over 20 years in our family. It's definitely one of our favorites. We're going to show you how to make these step by step. Everyone's feeling fine? We'll get things started by grabbing a loaf of French bread. You'll want to cut off the ends of this and then cut evenly a bunch of slices that will fill up your serving tray. Even slices make it look better on the tray. And because these appetizers move so well, it certainly makes sense to cut a few extras so they're standing by. So now here, I've asked Julie to cut a few more slices just because I wanted this better camera angle, but she was like, hey, that's more than I need. So take a listen as she lays these out.
See, I knew that was enough. 2 more and you'd have me do extra. I knew it.
So just for the record, these 4 extra pieces, that's on me. She knew what she was doing. After you get those laid out on the tray, it's a good time to grab your cucumber and cut off the ends of it, and then you can actually proceed to peel that fully. And we do fully remove the skin, making sure there's nothing left and keeping it nice and clean like that. Then we move into fully cutting that cucumber into even slices. And in this case, I guess you can just cut the full cucumber and have a bunch of extra slices left over. Oh boy, I'm in trouble. Okay, let's grab a mixing bowl and we'll add 8 ounces of cream cheese to that. Just like so. And then proceed to add in a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise into that same bowl. There we go. Here you can grab a quick sip of tea from your favorite mug. This one here was a nice Christmas gift from our 13-year-old daughter. So here we're adding a packet of Italian seasoning right into the bowl as well. Then you can grab your hand mixer and mix up everything fully in that mixing bowl so everything is thoroughly blended together. I kinda think she did this one on purpose. Her laughter gives her away. So when you're done, the mixture should look something like this. And here's where you spread this evenly onto your bread. And you can certainly be pretty generous with the helpings. This is pretty tasty stuff.
If they have any leftovers, it goes well on crackers.
There you go, you heard it from her. If you have leftovers, they're fantastic on crackers. Alright, just about done here. There we go. Make sure you don't miss the very last step. It's very important. But before that, we add all the cucumber slices to the bread, generally trying to match it up size for size. Then you want to grab some dill weed, and this is what you want to spread across the top to give it that final bit of seasoning. And as we watch her do this is a great time to hit that subscribe button. That would be delightful. You can check out some of our other videos on the screen here. Thanks for watching, and be blessed.